Today, we've got a quick fix for a common issue that Valorant players on Windows 11 might be facing: the VAN 9003 error. Step 1. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Check if other devices are connected and try restarting your router. Step 2. Close Valorant and Riot Vanguard. Right-click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, and end the Valorant and Vanguard processes. Step 3. Relaunch Valorant and see if the error persists. If it does, let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. Sometimes, these can interfere with Valorant's connection. And there you go. These steps should help you resolve the VAN 9003 error on Valorant. Remember, if the issue persists, you might want to reach out to Valorant support for more personalized assistance. I hope this quick fix gets you back into the game smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and gaming content.